Standard normal z-distribution probabilities. Calculate the following probabilities of the standard normal z-distribution given the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. First, find P of 10. This means that our area is going to be 0.10. This is considered the area on the left. And in our probability statement, it's going to be this part right here. So I'm going to write 0.10. That's going to be what's given. And also our inequality is going to be, since it's on the left, it's going to be less than or equal to. So let's go ahead and pull up StatCrunch to be able to do this. On StatCrunch, you're going to have to go ahead and hit Stat, then Calculators. Then we're going to, from our calculator menu, on our calculator menu, go to Calculators and then go to not binomial, but normal. So we've done binomial and we've done custom, and now we're going to focus on the normal probability. So on normal, you can see that we have a screen similar to our binomial screen, and we have our standard in between. Our mean is 0, our standard deviation is set to 1. On our probability statement, we're going to have x is less than or equal to, and in this problem we're given the area, and so remember with the area on the left here is less than or equal to, and we're going to change our area instead of 0.5, we're going to change it to 0.10. Hit compute, and it calculates out our z-score, and our z-score in this case is going to be z equals negative 1.28155516. And so you can see that that was negative 1.28 here, and that became our z-score. Filling in our diagram, our z-score is negative 1.28. So that's our equivalent, z equals negative 1.28. The area on the left then is 10% or 0.10. The area on the right is then 90% or 0.90. So I like to label both of them on this case. So with this type of problem, we're starting out with the area and we're trying to find our z-score. On the next problem, it says find the z-score that has 42.7% of the distribution's area on its right. So our area in this problem is going to be 0.427, but notice it's the area on the right. So if it's the area on the right, we're going to go ahead and put 0.427 in our area location. So again, that's where we're starting. And instead of less than or equal to, if we want to find the area on the right, we're going to do a greater than or equal to sign. So let's go ahead and go to StatCrunch. Go ahead and change the area from 0.10. I'm going to change that to 0.427. Hit compute. Oh, wait, I got to change the inequality to greater than or equal to. So make sure you're careful at remembering not just to change the area, but make sure you had the correct inequality. I'm going to go ahead and hit compute. Whoops, I typed in 2 decimal points. I always do that. 0.427, there we go. And we hit compute again. And as you can see here, our z-score then is going to be 0.184011715. I'm just going to go ahead and write a couple decimal places in here, 0.18. So that's how our probability statement looks. Our z-score is our answer though, and so let me go ahead and write this on the diagram here, 0.18. Z equals 0.18, and then the area on the left, the area on the right is 0.427, and the area on the left is 1 minus 0.427, which is 0.573. So remember, the area on the left is 1 minus 0.427. There we go. So we're trying to find the z-scores now instead of the area. So I tried to color code this so that you can see the areas are in blue and the z-scores are in pink or red.